If you woke up today with stiff knees, aching fingers, or that deep joint pain that just won't go away, you're not alone. Millions of Americans over 50 are asking the same desperate question: how do I stop this pain fast? You've tried pills, maybe creams, maybe nothing works, or only for a little while. But what if there's something faster, more natural, and backed by science? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to feel better, possibly in less than 24 hours. Let's start with the truth. Arthritis pain doesn't care about your schedule. It can hit when you need to walk your dog, climb the stairs, or simply make coffee. And while long-term strategies like weight loss, physical therapy, and supplements are important, sometimes you just need fast relief, today. Unfortunately, most people over-rely on over-the-counter NSAIDs like ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Yes, they can help in the short term, but they also come with side effects like stomach ulcers, high blood pressure, and even kidney problems, especially if you're taking them daily. That's why researchers are digging into faster, safer ways to calm inflammation without wrecking your gut or liver. The first step? Understanding what's actually causing that pain. Pain from osteoarthritis, the most common form, is triggered by inflammation in the joint lining, combined with cartilage breakdown and sometimes fluid buildup. Rheumatoid arthritis, on the other hand, is an autoimmune issue where your body attacks its own joints. Either way, inflammation is public enemy number one. Here's the twist. Inflammation isn't just a joint problem. It's affected by your food, your stress levels, your sleep, and even your gut bacteria. That's why fast relief often comes from surprising directions. Let's dive into 4 of the most effective and fastest acting methods you can try right now. This might sound basic, but it's incredibly effective if done right. Alternating cold and heat therapy is one of the fastest non-drug ways to calm arthritis flare-ups. Here's how it works. Cold packs reduce swelling and dull, sharp pain by constricting blood vessels. Heat packs relax tight muscles, boost circulation, and help loosen stiff joints. The trick is knowing when and how to use them. Let's say your knee is swollen and hot to the touch. That's a job for ice. But if it's just stiff and achy without redness, go for heat. Want fast results? Try this method. 1. Start with 10 minutes of cold, gel pack, or ice wrapped in cloth. 2. Rest for 5 minutes. 3. Follow with 15 minutes of moist heat, like a warm compress or heating pad. 4. Finish with gentle stretching. This combo boosts blood flow to the joint, flushes out inflammatory compounds, and gives both short and medium-term relief. In one clinical study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science, patients using contrast therapy reported reduced pain in just 1 session. Now, what if I told you that what you put in your mouth in the next hour could directly impact your pain level? Let me introduce you to a simple but powerful remedy: the turmeric ginger anti-inflammatory tea shot. Both turmeric and ginger have been shown in multiple studies to inhibit inflammatory pathways, particularly the COX-2 enzyme, which is the same target of most NSAIDs. Here's how to make the fast-acting version. 1 TSP turmeric powder, 1/2 TSP fresh or ground ginger, a pinch of black pepper, helps turmeric absorb up to 2,000% better. Juice of half a lemon, 1 cup hot water or herbal tea. Stir well and sip slowly. Within about 30-45 minutes, many people report a noticeable decrease in pain and stiffness, especially if they drink this consistently for a few days. This combo doesn't just mask pain, it fights the root cause, inflammation. For extra relief, pair it with a small anti-inflammatory snack, a handful of walnuts or berries. I know what you might be thinking. Move, I'm in pain. I want to rest. But here's the deal. Resting too long is one of the worst things you can do for arthritis pain. When joints don't move, they stiffen, the surrounding muscles weaken, circulation drops, and the inflammation, it builds. That's why gentle, low-impact movement is one of the fastest and most effective ways to reduce pain. Here's a 5-minute routine you can try right now. No equipment, no floor work. 1. March in place. 1 minute. Gets blood flowing to hips, knees, and ankles. 2. Seated leg extensions. 1 minute per leg. Strengthens the quads to support knees. 3. Wrist and hand circles, 30 seconds each direction. Great for finger arthritis. 4. Shoulder rolls, 30 seconds. Releases tension that worsens joint discomfort. 5. Deep belly breathing, 2 minutes. reduces cortisol, which fuels inflammation. Bonus tip: do this right after your turmeric ginger tea for double the effect. A study from the Arthritis Foundation showed that participants who did short movement bursts 2-3 times per day had 45% less pain after just 1 week, and many experienced faster mobility as early as day 2. So there you have it. Some of the fastest, most natural, and science-supported ways to kick arthritis pain to the curb. From contrast therapy to turmeric shots, gentle movement to smart nutrition, relief is closer than you think. And it doesn't have to come from a pill bottle. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and tap the bell so you never miss another tip from Arthritis Relief Daily. We're here to help you move better, live stronger, and take back control, one pain-free day at a time. Got a method that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. Your tip might help someone else in pain today.